Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Erika and today I have such an exciting video. I am doing an unboxing of Djerf Avenue. I finally bought a couple of things from there. I had been holding off so much due to the price point, but I've heard such phenomenal things about the brand. I really wanted to give it a go. I asked people on my Instagram story whether or not they thought it was worth it, and it was pretty well a resounding yes. So I thought I would give it a go. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing as well as a try on, and I'll kind of talk about the prices and a little bit more about the brand as well. If you do find this video helpful, please drop it a like, comment, and subscribe. It means the absolute world to me. And let's just quickly go into what is Djerf Avenue. I'll give a very brief overview because I assume if you've looked up this video, you've probably already looked into buying their products or know who Matilda Djerf is. So Matilda Djerf is an online creator, and she is, in my opinion, probably one of the most influential fashion creators who is on the internet right now. I think she's that perfect mix of effortless and cool, and I think that she just seems like a really lovely person as well. I think she's very likable, and I think her brand has such amazing timeless staples from a visual perspective. Of course, I haven't tried them yet, I'm about to. And I know that the ethics behind her brand of how the items are sourced, produced, and what fabrics are used in the process are all really important pillars of the brand. So you are paying for an ethical brand here. I did notice that this didn't come in plastic. I'm wondering what's inside, but I know that that's a very big selling point for Djerf Avenue, and that their pieces are supposed to last a really long time. You shouldn't be repurchasing a whole lot, and also they're just very timeless, so it's not something that's gonna date or age like a micro trend. So that's why I really wanted to invest in this brand. But let's jump straight into the unboxing because I really can't wait. I'm so excited. So my address is on the other side, so I can't really show that, but I'll like fold it down a little bit so you can see. So it's like a pull tab opening here. Cool, so it actually looks like everything's wrapped in like tissue paper. So here they are, they're actually all wrapped together. So I'll just flip it over to open it. You can see that it has like the little sticker, and then it's all like wrapped in the branded tissue paper there. These are the favorite pants in gray. This was the item that I was eyeing off for the longest amount of time, and I just thought they looked great on everyone, but the thing that stopped me was the price point. These were $2.19 Australian dollars, and that is definitely the most that I've ever paid for a pair of pants. And yeah, it was definitely an investment. So hopefully I get my money's worth out of these. They feel beautifully made. They have a little bit of stretch as well, which should be quite flattering. And the fabric's really, really beautiful. So there's an up close. Inside you have the tag. I ended up going with an extra small in these ones because I didn't want the kind of baggier look. A lot of people said that if you didn't want the baggy look, go with whatever size that might be a little bit smaller. Typically I'm between a small to extra small depending on the brand, and I always kind of struggle with finding something that fits my hips as well as my waist, and fingers crossed this does both. I have a good feeling, and I think the length will be good on me too. I do know that these come in a couple of different lengths. I think that there's a tall as well as the regular, and I got the regular. I'm about 5'4" for reference. This is the getaway sweater. I fell in love with this. I really don't have enough long sleeve, like wintry sort of tops, so I thought that this would be a good one. It has this really cute sleeve detail, so it's like split. It feels really, really nice, just like the quality of the pants. It feels immaculate. That's always a good sign. I know ordering online, it can be so hard to tell what the quality of something's going to be, and both of these have felt beautiful. And this one is organic cotton, so the material's really, really soft. I got an extra small in this one as well, and you can even see the stitching detail on the sleeve. I think it will go perfectly with the pants too, which is another win. And this one was $1.59 Australian dollars. Once again, not cheap, however, it does feel amazing. I have spent more on a sweater before, but it was wool, so it's from Paloma wool. That one was more expensive, but I have absolutely worn that to death, and it is the warmest sweater that I have, so that's a great one. This is, once again, quite pricey, however, it does feel beautiful. And last but not least, I have the Breezy shirt here. So this is in that blue and white stripe. Very, very classic. I know that it does come as a set, but I just thought I would get more use out of the shirt. I think that this will look amazing with denim and amazing with like white pants as well as tan. I think that this is going to be such a versatile piece. I just didn't think that I'd get too much use out of the set, so I just went with the top, and it, once again, feels amazing, which is a great sign. It looks perfect, as did the other two items. So the total was $5.57. Now, that is a lot of money. I have never placed an order that has cost me that much from any site ever. However, in saying that, these are extremely high quality. They look absolutely stunning. Fingers crossed they fit beautifully. But I do know that the process in which they're made versus a lot of other online retailers, I think that they're trying to make a step in the right direction. So I do think that the price is justified. Just from appearance alone, I can justify the price because I know that what goes into it is of a higher standard than many, many, many other options that are out there. I know that it is a jarring price point. Like, I'm not oblivious to the fact that that is high. It was what stopped me in the first place. But like I said, I do think it's justified. So take with that what you will. Maybe another approach would be to look at doing like one item at a time. I kind of just did this all at once because they were all items I had been looking at for a while as well. I know that the sizing can sell out quickly there and all of my sizes were available. So I'm like, I'm just gonna do it. So that's why I went with these, but let's jump into the try on. First impressions of these pants is that they're like my perfect trousers. They fit so well around the waist and the hips. There's no gap in the back and I struggle so much to find that. So here you can see the length of the pants. They pretty much finish right at my heels, which is absolutely perfect. So when I'm wearing shoes, they kind of finish right at the bottom, but they don't look too short at all. So these are the perfect length for me. As I said, I'm 5'4", and here is an up close. You can see that the fabric just lays perfectly alongside the skin. It's not digging in and there's that little bit of stretch, so it is super flattering. These pants are so comfortable and really give a tailored look, but honestly just as comfortable as pajama pants pretty much. They're perfect. Here is the breezy shirt, so super classic. I do have shirts like this, but this is definitely the best quality one that I have. You can wear it in a couple different ways. You could wear it tucked in at the front, which is what I really like to do. And yeah, just a perfect staple. And here is the getaway top. I am so obsessed with this in the sleeve detail. So comfortable and a lot warmer than expected as well. So I guess the most important question that needs to be answered is it worth it? And in my opinion, I think that these items are. The quality of each of these items is absolutely immaculate, and I actually love a lot of them, a lot more than I thought that I even would. I was scared that, you know, things might just have a little bit of a gap or they might just not fit me as well because I was ordering from an online retailer, but honestly, I love these items. And I know that this sweater in particular, the getaway sweater, this is going to be my new go-to for sure. I was also worried that this was gonna be a little bit sheer. It's not, it's honestly perfect. Everything that I got, I'm so satisfied with, and that is what I heard from everyone when I asked. I'd say if you are looking at this as an investment piece for yourself or something that you've been eyeing off for a really long time and do have the means to do so, I would say that this is a brand that's worth your time and money. I think that their values carry through from the creation of their products to how you receive the product and the packaging that I received. No matter what, for the most part, when you receive an item of clothing, it almost always comes in multiple layers of plastic. And it was interesting to see the materials that they used instead. And I think that they are holding up that expectation. I love all of these items. I hope that you found this to be a helpful review. And if you have any questions at all about sizing or anything else that you can think of, please just drop them in the comments. I will get back to you on those ones, and thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, please drop it a like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion videos. I have plenty more coming this year, and I can't wait to spend more time on YouTube because I've been really enjoying this side of content. It's so much fun, and I love to be able to go in depth with you. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy it as well, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.